Toyland lovers, good morning. I be your sea captain, Sea Captain Morgan. Sea Captain Morgan need a book. I be here to make some announcements. But first, I need me shipmates. I do not see my shipmates, so I shall call them. Here be me shipmates. Yes, come gentlemen, please come to the front. Do not be shy. A sailor folk get a little shy on the seaboard. Let me introduce. On my right, a whale of a man, a fine specimen of a sailor. His name be Beluga. On my left, not the prettiest, nor the smartest, but his mother be me sister, so I am stuck with him. Tiny. My shipmates, ladies and gentlemen, so give them a round of applause while you wonder. Yes, now the announcements, now my shipmates are here. 3 announcements today, boys and girls. Number 1, the Clairbourn Book Fair is on October 19th, Friday. October 19th, Friday. On the same day, number 2, will be movie night at 6 p.m. on the same day. And number 3, the theme of the Clairbourn Book Fair is dive into books. Hence, we have sailors up for it. Yes. Now, us sailors love jingles to help us remember things. Would you children like to listen to our jingle?
Aye, aye, Captain.
That is right. When our captain asks you a question, you respond with aye, aye, Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain.
I can't hear you. Very good, sailors. Very good. Now, when I say the first verse, you respond, Clairbourn Book Fair. Excellent, excellent, children. Sailors, are we ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Shipmate Kirchner, will you please do the honors?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Much obliged. Who's having a book fair on Huntington Drive? So many books, let's go for a dive.
Clairbourn Book Fair.
So bring all your money, October 19.
Clairbourn Book Fair.
It's good for all ages from 1 to 19.
Clairbourn Book Fair.
Clairbourn Book Fair, Clairbourn Book Fair, Clairbourn Book Fair, Clairbourn Book Fair. It seems shipmate Kirchner, our music had flawed. That's why we rely on our beautiful voices. Remember, kids, the theme for this book fair, Clairbourn Book Fair, is dive into books.